In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Codeium in Vscode. Installing extensions can enhance your coding experience by adding new features and functionality to your integrated development environment. Codeium in particular offers a range of tools that can be incredibly helpful for developers, enabling them to streamline workflows and maximize productivity. We'll guide you through the process step by step, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have Visual Studio Code open on your computer. This is where all the magic happens, so having it running is essential for installing any extensions. Once you've confirmed that Vscode is open and ready to go, we'll move on to the next steps. Now, take a look at the sidebar on the left side of the Vscode window. You'll notice an icon that looks like a set of square blocks, or more technically, the extensions icon. This is where you'll access a catalog of thousands of extensions that can be installed within Vscode. Click on this icon to enter the extensions view. This area allows you to browse all available extensions to find the ones that suit your needs best. Once you're in the extensions view, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the panel. This is where you can type in the name of the extension you're looking for. In this case, type Codeium and hit enter. This will initiate a search and fetch a list of matching extensions from the marketplace. Next, scan through the search results to find the official Codeium extension. Make sure you're selecting the correct one, as there could be similar names or unofficial extensions listed. You'll want the official one to ensure you're getting a reliable product with up-to-date features. Upon locating the correct Codeium extension, you'll see an install button next to it. Go ahead and click that install button. This begins the download and installation process. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a moment, so be patient as the extension is added to your Vscode setup. And just like that, you've successfully installed the Codeium extension in Vscode. To confirm that everything's working correctly, you can return to your extensions view. Here, you'll see Codeium listed among your installed extensions. You're now ready to explore all the features that Codeium has to offer, enhancing your development environment with powerful tools designed to make your coding more efficient and enjoyable. Thank you for following along with this guide on installing Codeium in Visual Studio Code. By adding this extension, you've taken a great step towards optimizing your coding experience. We hope you enjoy exploring its features and seeing how it can benefit your workflow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out for help in the comments below. Happy coding!